Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadget Auto World. If you're looking for a combination of high-tech features and seamless connectivity in your car, the Audi Q4 e-tron's infotainment system might just be the one to beat. It's sleek, intuitive, and packed with innovations. In today's video, we're going to explore everything this system has to offer, from its touch interface to voice controls and everything in between. So let's jump right in. The future of driving is here, and it's electric. The Audi Q4 e-tron blends cutting-edge technology with luxury in ways we've never seen before. Today, we're diving into one of its most impressive features, the advanced infotainment system. Let's take a look at how Audi is redefining the in-car experience in their all-electric SUV. 1. The MMI Touch Response System. First up, the heart of the Q4 e-tron's infotainment is the MMI Touch Response System. This system replaces traditional buttons with high-resolution touchscreens. The main display is a large, 10.1-inch screen that sits at the center of the dashboard. With a simple swipe or tap, you can control everything from navigation to media, climate control, and even vehicle settings. What's great about this system is its responsiveness. It uses haptic feedback, so when you touch the screen, you actually feel a vibration, mimicking the feel of pressing a physical button. It's not just intuitive, it's satisfying to use. 2. Dual screen setup. Multitasking made easy. The Q4 e-tron doesn't stop at just one screen. It has a dual screen setup, with a second 8.6-inch display right below the main one. This second screen is dedicated to climate control and additional settings. It allows you to adjust your cabin temperature, seat heating, and more, all while the main screen focuses on navigation or entertainment. The result? Less distraction and a cleaner layout. 3. Virtual Cockpit. All your info in one place. Now let's talk about the Virtual Cockpit, Audi's high-tech digital instrument cluster. This isn't just a regular display. It's a fully customizable screen that puts everything you need right in front of you. The Virtual Cockpit allows you to switch between different views, whether it's the traditional speedometer and tachometer, detailed maps, or even performance stats if you want to track your driving habits. You can also see media information or even driver assistance features, all without taking your eyes off the road. 4. Voice recognition. Hands-free control. When it comes to hands-free control, the Q4 e-tron's voice recognition system is next level. Using the Hey Audi command, you can control almost every aspect of the car, from adjusting the climate to setting up navigation or even changing music. The system is designed to understand natural language, so you can speak just like you would to a passenger. No need for specific commands. Just ask it what you need, and it listens. 5. Audi Connect. Stay connected on the go. Audi Connect brings the best of connected services right into your car, and in the Q4 e-tron, it's seamlessly integrated with the infotainment system. With Audi Connect, you can access live traffic data, weather forecasts, news updates, and more, all directly on the MMI system. You can also integrate your smartphone with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, bringing your favorite apps and music directly to the screen. 6. Navigation. Smart and efficient routing. Let's talk about navigation. The Q4 e-tron comes with advanced navigation that not only shows you your route, but also helps you find the best charging stations along the way. Whether you're heading to the nearest charger or planning a long road trip, the system shows charging stations in real time and updates your route based on availability. It takes the guesswork out of finding charging points and ensures you never run out of power on the road. 7. Driver assistance and safety features. The infotainment system isn't just about entertainment. It's also deeply integrated with the car's driver assistance features. The Q4 e-tron comes with a suite of safety technologies that are easily accessible via the infotainment system. Features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision warnings are clearly displayed on the Virtual Cockpit, and you can adjust their settings through the MMI screen. This keeps everything at your fingertips, allowing you to focus on the road while the car takes care of the rest. 8. Over-the-air updates. Always improving. Another standout feature is over-the-air software updates, something you rarely see in traditional vehicles. Over-the-air updates ensure that the Q4 e-tron's infotainment system is always up to date with the latest features, bug fixes, and improvements. No need to visit the dealership or download anything manually. Everything happens automatically, keeping your car at the cutting edge of technology. 9. Premium sound. Audio that moves you. For those who love great sound, the Audi Q4 e-tron offers an optional Bang & Olufsen sound system, which takes your audio experience to the next level. With 3D sound and incredible clarity, the sound system fills the cabin with rich, immersive audio, whether you're listening to your favorite music or navigating with voice guidance. It's perfect for audiophiles who want a premium in-car audio experience. So, there you have it. The Audi Q4 e-tron's infotainment system is packed with cutting-edge technology that makes every drive more enjoyable, connected, and safer. From the dual screens and voice recognition to advanced navigation and driver assistance, this system is designed to keep you in control while keeping you connected to the world around you. Which feature of the Q4 e-tron's infotainment system excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest tech and cars. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay connected on the road.